Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, October 12th, 2023. We are looking at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Euro at the Zondacrypto exchange. What do we have here is a typical setup for the technical analysis. We got the Japanese candlesticks, 100 and 200 period moving average, and one of the most famous and useful basically indicators for the technical analysis, which is of course RSI with standard setting of the 14 periods back. So what we are trying to do here is to get some kind of a plan, a trading plan analysis for the Bitcoin to the Euro. This pair, as you can see, has been moving upward, from the lows. Let me indicate this one for you. From the lows located roughly around the level of 23,337. So that's the swing low and our technical support, right? So this is the level, and we went up towards this level here, which is located at 27,073 euro. So this is our local swing high, and this is of course the technical resistance. It's not a swing high because the last swing high is here, unless we will zoom out. Well, we can see that this is the last swing high, and there is one more, and that's definitely the swing high, which is located here, and that's obviously different, completely different level, 29,123. So we got this movement to the upside from that low, and please notice the fact that this movement ended up with some sort of the pin bar candlestick pattern, which looks kind of like a shooting star-ish, let's say, right? So this is the first indication of the bears coming to the market, and the other indication is that the movement to the upside from these lows here was made only in 3 waves, and this decline here already broke below the wave A high, which means that that movement to the upside is a corrective movement during the downtrend. Okay, so in other words, that's the directional movement. It looks pretty much impulsive, and this is the correction of that movement. So we should prepare ourselves for another drop lower on the Bitcoin to Euro, right? So what is going on right now? We got the bearish cross again, 100 periods moving average crossing 200 periods moving average on a daily time frame chart, which is kind of an important one, and most traders are looking on this chart every single day, right? So we have a bearish cross, we have a shooting star pin bar, we have a failed rally above the last swing high, so that's only the, let's say, local high, and we have a 3 wave movement to the upside. Those 3 things indicate that the market is still under the bearish pressure, and we should see more weakness on the Bitcoin to Euro soon. Moreover, the momentum broken below the level of 50. Let me just grab the line so I can pinpoint the level of 50. There you go. That's the level of 50.54, whatever, it doesn't matter. The point is that we bounced last time from this level when the wave B was in progress. Then we went towards the extremely overbought market conditions. RSI hit the level of 70, and then big decline towards the level of 50, and now we are trading below it, which means that sentiment on the Bitcoin to Euro is negative, and another indication or even a confirmation that the bears are in control of this market, at least in the short term, right? So what is going to happen now? Well, according to our analysis and according to our plan, we will test this line here unless it's broken already. There you go, it's broken already. So we broke below this short-term trend line support, dynamic support, right? So we are below this trend line, which is another sign of the weakness of this market. The next target, the immediate target for the bears, is located at the lows of the wave B, 24,487 euro. And then if this level is violated, we will test the this is the September lows at 23,337. There is one more important level here, which might be, of course, tested later on. Okay, so if we zoom out, we can see this level. Let me just copy this line, to make it quicker, and then you go. There you go. This is 22,790. That's the low from the June 2000, and yes, June 15th of the June 2023. Okay, so it actually looks like the bullish cross here gave us the opportunity to rise very, very nicely, correct, go up again towards the yearly high, right, 29,123, and now the bearish cross sends us a message that we should prepare for a potential drop way, way, way lower. Okay, so this is very, very clear indication of the weakness coming to the Bitcoin market. In our situation, our market is a Bitcoin to Euro. So this is the analysis of the Bitcoin to Euro, and this is the update of the last scenario. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.